Today I want to share one of my favorite ways to bring a little bit of the garden to the dinner table. When most people grow pineapple sage, they think about enjoying the beautiful little red flowers later in the season. But there's more to pineapple sage than beauty, and this is absolutely delicious. It's homemade pineapple sage butter. If you've never tried it before, don't worry. It doesn't taste like you're eating pineapple or like you're eating fresh sage. Instead, it has a fresh, lightly fruity herbal flavor that pairs perfectly with vegetables or chicken or even your Thanksgiving turkey. I love making things like this because they're simple, they're inexpensive, and they turn something growing right outside my window into something that feels special. Start by harvesting a few sprigs. When you're picking pineapple sage, choose healthy leaves from several stems. That keeps your plant looking beautiful and will encourage more growth. For this recipe, you'll need 1 stick of butter. You can make your own, but today I'm just using store-bought at room temperature. You'll need 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped pineapple sage. If you're using unsalted butter, also add a pinch of salt. And some fresh orange zest. Then mix your butter, your salt, your honey, your lemon zest, and your pineapple sage all together and shape it into a little log. Refrigerate it or freeze it for when you need it. What I love about this butter is that it's fresh but not overpowering. The pineapple sage adds a bright, citrusy flavor that makes this ordinary butter taste extraordinary. This would also be delicious on some homemade bread, roasted vegetables, grilled chicken, or fresh green beans from your garden. But slathering corn with this butter might just be my favorite way to enjoy it. Recipes like this are part of what makes retirement, or really any season of life, feel rich. It's not about spending a lot of money. It's about slowing down long enough to enjoy life, try something new, and then share it with the people you love. Thanks for spending time with me today, and I'll see you next time.